Hey guys, it's Mr. Goliath, and we're taking a look at how do we do a vlog instead of a blog. So the first thing I would want to do is have the questions set up like so, and then I can launch into Loom. And for this, we're doing cam only. And then once I get camera only, I'm going to click Start Recording. And then it's going to give me my countdown. And then I can go through each question. I would say I am most proud of my meme pixeler edit. I really liked that one, thought that was fun. What features did I use for my banner? I used a gift to make mine animated. When I was looking at other students, I thought James, Elise, Shiv, and Haley in second period did an outstanding job with theirs. In the real world, I've used these as birthday gifts, anniversary gifts. I've been able to edit personalized edits. You guys could use these for your classes. You could get jobs. I mean, it's countless types of real world experiences for graphic design. Finally, how likely are you? Well, I obviously know what the Frankenmonster challenge looks like. I think it would be awesome to do, so I would say very good possibility for that. And that's what that would look like. So then I would pause. Or actually, I'd hit the check mark because I'm done recording. And now it comes through. And it's processing my whole video. And what I'm going to do is use the share button. But this time, once I click on it, I want this embed right here. So I'm going to click this embed. And we'll go to fixed size. We'll go with this smaller one. And I'm going to click copy code. And all I do is come back to my website. I'm going to double click outside here. And these double arrows right here say embed. So I just click this. And then all I have to do is Control V or right click and paste. Whoops, I skipped a step. I need to click embed first. And now I can click next. And then I can click insert. And then it's going to insert it perfectly for me. The one thing I would do is clean up the size of this box because it looks, whoops, really big. Well, maybe it's going a little far. There it goes. Perfect. And just like that, there it is. I'd be able to click this. It's in. It's ready to go. And that is how you do your blog. So you can go ahead, vlog, and do your first video reflection if you'd like to do so. I wish you good luck.